The Microsoft Defender is an essential security solution built into Windows, but if this error code hinders you from using it, here are some following fixes. Now, the first thing that we recommend doing is restarting the services that Microsoft Defender relies on to function properly. In order for you to do it, open Services, locate and double-click on Microsoft Defender Advanced Threat Protection, click the Stop option, then click Start. Wait for a few seconds, then click Start. Also, make sure that the startup type is set to Automatic. Now, once you're done doing that, click Apply and select OK to save the changes. Next to that is uninstall conflicting software by opening Control Panel, go to Programs and Apps, select your third-party antivirus, then select Uninstall. You can also try some generic fixes like running the Windows Update Troubleshooter from Settings, changing your antivirus program, or installing any update manually from this website. So those are the following ways on how you can fix the following Windows Defender error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.